If to be introduced in all the subject, CBSE, ICSE, TRIPURA board. Recently, the state government has decision that to use Bengali script in the CBSE board, which is not in our favor. And as you all know, language is a very sensitive issue. And KOKBOROK Roman script since 50 years back we are demanding. It is burning issues. And KOKBOROK is state language of Tripura, but it is not given due importance. So now all the students have come forward to demand that to introduce Roman script in all schools and colleges and university. It is our long-lasting demand, and we'll go on our fighting, because this, as you know, the Roman script they have recommended by all commissions. During left-front regime also, there are 3 commissions was established, set up, and they also recommended in favor of Roman script. But I don't know why the state government is delaying this kind